Hi, it's Louisa. I'm making a video and I'm sitting in a tree. I'm outside right now on my camera phone, and I just thought I'd make a video showing you that I'm in a tree. And the reason why I'm in a tree is because I felt called to and compelled to come sit in this tree that is feeling kind of dead right now, and it needs a little TLC. It needs some love. And I've just been sitting here for a few minutes, and I've kind of been tuning into the tree. And right now, the spirit of the tree is still alive, but it's hurting, and I'm just sending it love right now. As you can see, I've got my hand on the tree and I'm running energy to the tree. Just telling the tree that I love it, 'cause I do, because it has a beautiful spirit inside of it, and it needs to be loved and nourished. And if you feel compelled to, you can go outside and find a tree. Either, if you're not able to climb it, you can just hug it and tell the tree that you love it and that you send it love and many, many blessings. So yeah, like I said, I'm sitting in a tree right now. I'm about 4 feet off ground. That's what the tree looks like. And I'm actually, kind of sitting on a branch. Whoop. Yeah, that's the branch I'm kind of propped up against. So that's really all I wanted to say, is that just go outside in nature and find either a tree or a rock or even a leaf and just send it love. Because that's what our earth needs right now, is just so much love. Like everything in nature, including us, we need love. So that's really all I wanted to say today, and I hope all of you guys are having a good day, and I love you. Peace.